Today we'll talk about how can you disable travel gates notifications on your Get Your Guide app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down here, then you just click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here. So then you come here to travel gates, you come to app notifications, clicking this sign or this color. So like you see here color, it's gone, that's mean travel gates notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.